Imagine holding a device that doesn't just predict the future, but defines it. A machine so advanced, so incredibly powerful, that it renders every other smartphone on the planet instantly obsolete. We are standing on the edge of a new era, a technological singularity packed into a chassis of aerospace-grade titanium. The leaks are real. The whispers from the supply chain are deafening. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is not just an upgrade, it is the final form of the smartphone as we know it. If you think you know what Apple is capable of, prepare to have your mind absolutely shattered. This is not about iterative improvements. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is not about a slightly better camera or a marginally faster processor. This is about a complete reinvention of user experience, performance, and artificial intelligence integration. This video is not just a rumor roundup, it is a deep dive into the blueprint of the future. You need to watch every single second of this, because what I am about to tell you will change the way you look at technology forever. The cornerstone of this revolutionary device is the A20 Pro chip, built on an unheard-of 2-nanometer process. Think about that. We are talking about billions more transistors packed into a space smaller than your fingernail. This isn't just about faster apps. It is about local, on-device AI capabilities that were previously only possible in massive data centers. Your phone will not just process information. It will understand context, anticipate your needs, and manage your life with an intelligence that feels almost human. The sheer raw power of this chip will allow for real-time ray tracing in gaming that matches console performance, rendering complex 3D environments instantly, and handling neural network tasks without breaking a sweat. But power is nothing without efficiency. Apple is taking advantage of the extreme density of the 2-nanometer process to revolutionize battery life. The rumored 5,100 mAh battery, combined with the insane efficiency of the A20 Pro, means you will finally have a phone that lasts 2 full days of heavy, pro-level usage. And when you finally do need to charge, the new 40-watt wired charging capability will take you from 0 to 80% in a matter of minutes. This is true freedom from the wall socket. Let's talk about the display, because this is where you will feel the leap forward every single time you look at your phone. We are expecting the jump to the next generation of LTPO OLED panels, offering brightness levels that make outdoor visibility absolute, even in direct, harsh sunlight. But the real headline is the implementation of a completely seamless, under-display Face ID system. The dynamic island is getting smaller, almost disappearing, allowing for a completely immersive, edge-to-edge viewing experience. The refresh rate technology will also evolve, allowing for even more granular control over battery consumption, making animations and scrolling feel smoother than butter, while simultaneously saving power. The camera system is where the iPhone 18 Pro Max will truly leave the competition in the dust. We are looking at a rumored 200-megapixel main sensor, allowing for incredible detail and enabling a new level of lossless digital zoom by cropping into the massive resolution. But megapixels aren't everything. The real magic is in the variable aperture system. This allows the camera to physically change its lens opening to control the depth of field and light intake, just like a professional DSLR camera. Imagine taking portrait shots with true, optical bokeh that looks stunningly natural, or capturing crystal-clear shots in near-total darkness with